See what you guys think of that. Huh? 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 What do you think? Huh?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you know, I cook in this channel. Now for you guys on the menu, I'm mumbling my words, I can't get it right. On the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be making spaghetti meatballs. Yeah. So, spaghetti meatballs it is today. I won't go into details what's what, how what, I'll just show you. But before we go any further, I need you to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to MosToosifar on the YouTube channel. Then once that's done, flip over to Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, MosToosifar as well. Done? Let's begin the show. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I've got a huge pan here. It's full of water. I've turned on the heat, it's heating up. What you also want to do now is turn on this one, right? And get your, oh, that was a bit wet. Get your frying pan, put it there, okay? And then splash a bit of olive oil in there. That's all you got to do, right? There you go. Happy days. Now, what you want to do is just wiggle it about, wiggle it about. Right. These lovely meatballs that I've got are prepared earlier, right? Myself, I prepared these. I didn't buy them from supermarket, okay? Believe you me. I didn't make these. These were from the supermarket. I'm just, yeah. So, I've got these ready made. What you're gonna do is just chuck them in there gently, hopefully. Oh, it's a bit small, isn't it? Should have used a bigger pan. Yeah. See, what we like to call it is improvising. Put this one on, turn this one, take it off, there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I mean? Since the residue is left in there, all you want to do, get rid of that. Let's see how much olive oil we've got left. Yeah, we're running low on everything. Stock is low, guys. Stock is low. Right. That's that. That's on full heat. That's gonna go. Right. Let that go. Let that go. Give it a few minutes. Right. As you can see, that's starting to boil up a little bit more. These are starting to get there. All you want to do is just wiggle them about. Wiggle about the meatballs so they all cook on all sides. And everything cooks nicely, evenly, rather well. Okay, now, yeah, it does smell nice, even though this is just plain, like I haven't put any salt, pepper, no seasoning, nothing. It's just a bit of pan, well, it's a pan, oil, and some meatballs. Once it cooks properly, you know, changes color and everything, I will then begin the seasoning. But until then, right, ladies and gentlemen, so our meatballs have more or less cooked, but we're not done yet. I just added some more water to it because a lot of it evaporated. So I topped it up, again waiting for it to heat up. What we're gonna do with this is marinate it. Now, what do we need for marinating? So, then you need pepper, okay? Then you need turmeric. Add some of that because you want to color it. You don't want no plain color. Then you want the good stuff. You want that good stuff in there, yeah? And just to give it a little kick on the side, just some of this chili powder. That will do. Okay? Right, now what you want to do is mix everything. This is your base. This is you marinating your meat. See how it changes the color already? Guys, the spices, when they hit the heat, oh my god, the smell rises. It's beautiful, it's amazing, it's yummy. Already I just want to pick out one of their meat and just chew on it. Look at that. Right, but we're not done yet, we're not ready, we're not finished. You still got some more to do. What you need to do, we're gonna make this quite saucy, right? Because we're not gonna mix them together. Or I may, but I'm not. Did that just even make sense what I just said? Put that there. Right, what you wanna do, get your tomato puree, go like that, get that, stick it in there, twist it so it opens it, right? And then just pour it out, okay? Probably pour it a whole lot. Just hope I don't get it on my shirt. Now the good thing about getting tomato puree in these things, in these like tube things, is you use what you need, what you don't need, you just put the lid on and that's it. But whereas for me, when you use the whole shebang, it's a different story. So there you go. That's rubbish. Okay. Now what you want to do is quite simply, you can add a bit of water from this. It doesn't matter. It's totally fine. Look at that. Now we're talking. Now we are talking. Okay. I've still got a long way to go to heat up. So yeah. Let this all mix, let it all marinate, everything. Bada bing, bada boom. Gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I mean? Get some more. Use this water, it's totally fine. It doesn't matter if the color of that changes because we're gonna make that a different color as well anyway. So it's no problem whatsoever. Yeah? Mix everything up. Look at that. Get it nice and, you know, juicy in there. Get the, what do you call it? Tomato puree to mix with the water, mix with the meat. Marinate everything. Heat it up. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, right? A bit messy on the side of the thing, but it's okay. Have a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. See what you guys think of that. Huh? 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 What do you think? Huh? Right. As you can see, that's starting to bubble up, or you probably can't see with the angle of the video, but quickly show you there. That's that. Lovely jubbly. Let that carry on. What you want to do is get your pack of what do you call it? Spaghetti. And just take out the packaging. Take out the packaging, twist it, and then let it sink in. Right? Whilst it's sinking in, pour a pinch of salt. There you go. Get in there, mate. Get in there, mate. Right? Use the same spoon. Give it a nice little wiggle about. Right, ladies and gentlemen. So, this has been going on for about 9 or 10 minutes. It's pretty ready. All I need to do now is drain it. But remember, I just always got to mix it about so it doesn't stick together, okay? So here is what I'm about to do. I'm about to drain it and then bring it back. Add a pinch of oil, right? Just so it doesn't stick together. A little bit more. There you go. Now, wobble it about, okay? Drain the water. Drain the water, pour it in, happy days. Right? look at this. This is our bad boy. Have a look at them meatballs, will ya? Meatballs. Okay, now I'm just gonna get some of the sauce, right, and pour it in there just to change the color of our pasta, give it some life, you know, because right now it's looking a bit plain, a little bit boring. Like, it's good for the color of the contrast and all of that, but too plain. Give it a little mix. Look at that. See? Get the oil mix, get the sauce mix. I won't make it any darker, just so you can see a conflict between the actual pasta itself and the meatballs. Right? They're pretty warm as well. I can turn them off. They're good to go. Right? Now, all we need to do is get our bowl, right? Just give me a second whilst I go and actually get it. So here's what you need to do. Get your bowl, place it here, right? Get one of these dangly things, put it under, gently pour it in. Try and keep your bowl clean, right? Try. Otherwise you got to clean it for the photo, which I'm trying to avoid, really. Okay, there's that. Try and see if you can spin it to make it look a little bit prettier. Okay, time for the meatballs. It's a good thing to use this because it will take out all the excessive sauce, which you don't really need. So yeah, there we are. Just put a few. I'm definitely gonna clean this plate now. Yeah, meatballs. Right. Get a few more in. Kind of spread them apart. Okay, I'm going to leave that as it is. Get a little bit of paper towel. And then just clean the edges for the photos and for the video. Voila! That's that. Now, top it off. You need just a tiny pinch of black pepper. This one's a lot better, it's more tasty. And of course, the Parmesan cheese. Right? Fill up the bad boy with a bit of Parmesan cheese. And here, ladies and gentlemen, is your spaghetti meatballs. Bon appetit, share, like and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe to the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, rather. See you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come